As president of the Treasury Board, you have a mandate commitment to establish a mental health fund for Black public servants. It arose from the Thompson class action suit, which you're well aware of, the Nicholas Marcus Thompson et al. Versus Her Majesty the Queen, where on July 9th, 2021, the plaintiffs filed a motion seeking an order for the establishment of a fund to provide mental health services and counseling for Black public servants who have suffered mental health and physical symptoms associated with experiences of racial trauma and systemic discrimination within the public service of Canada. So it's been a year since Budget 2022 and your commitment of $3.7 million for a Black-led engagement, design, and implementation of a mental health fund for Black federal public servants. Can you tell me about the current status of the program, what work has been done in the first year, and how much of the $3.7 million has been spent?
Thank you for that. It is an incredible, I will say, commitment that we have to have a Black public service mental health fund in place. And we have been working in the last year making sure we prepare the strategy and making sure that we have an ask to develop a whole
just trying to get an idea of, like, you know, I mean, it was because of the courts. So, I mean,
because of
the court decision. So, I mean, I'm wondering what the status is. You know, work's been done. How much of the money's been spent? What's it been spent on? Is the work being Black done by in terms of Black-led? And how many Black executives at your Treasury Board are leading the program? And what is their classification? You want to know that this is being undertaken by them.
So we have been working very hard to develop the Black Public Service Mental Health Fund, and I don't have the specific numbers of out of the $3.7 million that has been spent at this time. I would provide this with you.
Is the work actually ongoing right now, and is it include Black employee networks? Is this actually happening?
Yes, we have been co-developing the, let's say, exercise of having the Black Public Service Fund.
Have you been consulting the Black Class Action Secretariat, which prompted the need for this mental health?
We are. Veux-tu répondre une partie?
We have been working with the communities and networks of Black executives as well as Black public servants within the public service to really co-develop.
What about the Black
options.
Class Action Secretariat?
I'm not.
I'm afraid that is our time.
The Black Action Class Secretariat is not working on the Black Public Mental Health Fund at this time.
There's been no consultation.
Mr. Johns, Minister.
It's another file completely.
That is our time. I understand you might have some information you could share with the committee to follow up to Mr. Johns's question.
The $3.7 million, I could provide more insight
sure,
on.
and any of the other
amount.
questions that Mr. Johns
But
had
I can also discuss on the hard work that is being done and what we're trying to accomplish in the next phase of having a Black Public Service Mental Health Fund for the public service.